We all sometimes forget to send important messages on time, whether it's for meetings, birthday wishes, or something else. To solve this problem, Instagram introduced a feature to schedule messages. This can save you a lot of time. Now let's see how it's done. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Then tap on the messenger icon at the top right corner. Next, open an existing chat or start a new conversation. Once you're done that, type your message. Now press and hold the send button, the arrow icon. A menu will pop up here. You can choose the date and time you want the message to be sent. Once you're happy with the schedule, tap send at selected time and that's it. Your message is now scheduled. If you change your mind later, you can edit or delete the message before it gets sent. Before we finish, here are some important things you should know about scheduling messages on Instagram. You can schedule messages for up to 29 days in advance. Scheduling messages works for both group and individual chats. Only text messages can be scheduled. Photos, videos, and voice messages cannot be scheduled for now. If you change your mind, you can delete or send the message instantly before the scheduled time. And that's it. Now you know how to schedule Instagram messages. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on more tech tips.